The Bernie Madoff scandal, a name that sends shivers down the spine of investors everywhere. 8 lessons to protect your money. These lessons are essential for anyone looking to safeguard their hard-earned cash. Red flags: spotting a Ponzi scheme before it's too late. It's crucial to be vigilant and aware of the warning signs. Let's talk about the hallmarks of a Ponzi scheme. These schemes can be incredibly deceptive and ruinous. First up, the promise of consistently high returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Madoff lured investors with steady double-digit gains year after year. This consistency was a major red flag. Next, the shroud of secrecy Ponzi schemes thrive on keeping their operations hidden. Madoff kept investors in the dark about his strategies. Transparency is key in legitimate investments. Remember, complexity often hides something sinister. If you can't understand the investment, be cautious. And the exclusivity tactic, making investors feel special and part of an elite group. Madoff made his investors feel like VIPs, creating a false sense of security and trust. But exclusivity in investing is often a red flag. Always do your due diligence and stay informed. Due diligence, your best defense against financial predators. Madoff preyed on people's trust and their lack of due diligence. Before you hand over your money, channel your inner Sherlock Holmes. Critically evaluate investment opportunities and verify credentials. Engage independent financial advisors for multiple opinions. Remember, trust in investing is earned, not given. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The power of diversification. This age-old adage holds true, especially in the world of investing. Madoff's investors made the mistake of concentrating their investments in his fund. They put all their trust and money into one place, leading to devastating losses. Diversification is key to mitigating risk. By spreading investments, you reduce the impact of any single asset's poor performance. Spread your investments across multiple asset classes, industries, and regions. This strategy ensures that your portfolio is balanced and resilient. Diversification is like a financial airbag. It might not prevent a crash, but it can cushion the blow. It provides a safety net, helping you navigate through market volatility with more confidence. Chapter 4. Where were the regulators? The need for stronger oversight. Madoff's scheme operated under the noses of regulators for decades. The SEC received numerous red flags but failed to act. We need stronger auditing and reporting standards, and a regulatory system that prioritizes transparency. A robust regulatory framework is essential for a healthy financial system. Chapter 5. Question everything: the importance of healthy skepticism. Madoff's investors were lulled into a false sense of security by his reputation. They failed to ask tough questions and challenge the narrative. When it comes to your money, skepticism is a virtue. Chapter 6. Ethics Matter: building a culture of honesty and accountability. Madoff's scheme exposed a culture of greed and lack of ethical accountability. We need to foster a culture of honesty and accountability in the financial industry. Ethics matter for a healthy and sustainable financial system. Chapter 7. The psychology of fraud: how our brains can betray us. Madoff exploited cognitive biases like herd mentality and authority bias. Our brains are wired to take shortcuts, making quick decisions based on limited information. Be aware of your biases and rely on critical thinking when making financial decisions. Chapter 8. Whistleblowers: the unsung heroes of financial integrity. Whistleblowers often risk their careers to expose wrongdoing. In Madoff's case, Harry Markopolos first alerted the SEC to red flags. We need to create an environment where whistleblowers feel safe and protected. Whistleblowers play a vital role in holding individuals and institutions accountable. Outrow lessons learned: protecting yourself in a world of financial risk. 8 crucial lessons from the Bernie Madoff Ponzi scheme. By internalizing these lessons, we can better protect ourselves against financial fraud. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.